Welcome to my math class. I am Mohammad Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve some question from Cambridge IGCSE Additional Mathematics Paper 1 Non-Calculated 0606 Variant 1 Specimen paper for examination from 2025. At first, question number 1. Question number 1. The diagram shows the graph of y equals to modulus fx, where fx is a cubic function. Find the possible expression for fx in factorized form. The roots are -1, 0.5, and 2. In y-axis, the curve passes through 10. So possible expression will be fx will be plus minus, here it will be x plus 1, because if it is x plus 1, solution or root will be -1. As it is 0.5, so it will be 2x minus 1. When it is plus, it will be minus. And as it is plus, so x minus 2. But one thing we have to remember, the curve passes through 10. So here it will be 5, because 5 2s are 10. So in y-axis x value 0, so it will be passes through by 10. But one thing, why it is plus minus? Okay, here I try to explain. If it is fx, if it is plus 5, x plus 1, 2x minus 1, and x minus 2, the curve will be like this. In it will be in y-axis, it will be passes through 10. The curve pattern will be in x-axis, it will be passes through -1, half, and 2, and the curve pattern will be like this. When it is modulus of fx, so the curve pattern will be reflect in x-axis, so it is -1, half, and 2. So reflect in x-axis, this means the below side part will be upper side, it will be original one, and the below side also reflected in x-axis, and it will be upper side. The pattern will be like this when fx is plus this. But if fx is minus, 5, x plus 1, 2x minus 1, x minus 2, the curve will be like this. It is passes through -1, -10, half, and 2. The curve will be like this. When it is modulus of fx, the reflect in x-axis, so this is original part, the below side part will be reflected, so it will be like this. It will be 10, and this part is, this is half, that one will be like this, and here also reflected. That's why we have given here plus minus 5x plus 1, 2x minus 1, x minus 2. So our first answer is completed. Now number 2, the polynomial px equals to 6x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 2, where a and b are integers, that means whole number, has a factor x minus 2. Given that p1, that means when you put x value 1 here, equals to -2 p into 0, p0, that means put here x value 0. Find the values of a and b. So solution, px is here 6x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 2. If we put here 1, it will be 6, 1 cubed plus a1 square plus b into 1 plus 2. So if we simplify, we get here a plus b plus 8. If we put instead of x 0, it will be 6 0 cube plus a into 0 square b into 0 plus 2. So p0 will be 2. Now even p1 equals to minus 2 p0. So p1 equals to a plus b plus a minus 2 into 2. So if we simplify, we get here a plus b equals to minus 12. This is equation 1. Here they said as x minus 2 is the factor. So if we put x value plus 2 in px, we'll get remainder 0. 2 cube plus a 2 square plus b into 2 plus 2 equals to 0. Factor means remainder definitely 0. So if we simplify, we'll get here 2a plus b equals to minus 25. This is equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We'll get here a equals to minus 13. Now put a equals to minus 13 in equation 2. So from 2, we'll get here 2 into minus 13 plus b equals to minus 25. So b equals to 2 13s are minus 26. When it's come in the right side, it will be plus 26 minus 25. So it will be 1. So finally, a equals to here minus 13 and b equals to 1. Now number a completed. By using your values of a and b, find the remainder when px is divided by 2x minus 1. So px is here, after putting a and b in the px, we will get here px equals to 6x cubed minus 13x squared plus x plus 2. Now if we multiply, okay, so here find the remainder when px is divided by 2x minus 1. So instead of x, we have to put here 1 by 2. So 6 1 by 2 cube minus 13 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 plus 2. So if we simplify, we will get here remainder 0. So when remainder 0, that means 2x minus 1 also factor. Okay. Now the Roman 2, factorize px. So 2x minus 1 is the factor. So by this factor, we can divide this 6x cubed minus 13x square plus x plus 2, long division. So if we multiply here by 3x square, it will be 6x cubed minus 3x square plus minus cancel minus 10x square plus x minus 5 multiplied by minus 5x. So we'll get here minus 10x square plus 5x. So remainder come minus 4x plus 2 multiplied by minus 2. We'll get here minus 4x plus 2, remainder 0. Now we can write px equals to 2x minus 1. If we factorize 3x square minus 5x minus 2, so 2x minus 1, if we factorize this part, we will get two factors. That one is x minus 2 and 3x plus 1. Now, number 3. In this question, all angles are in radians. So write down amplitude. So always remember, this is amplitude. Here amplitude is 2. Amplitude is 2. Write down the period of 2 cos x by 3 minus 1. We know that cos x period is 2 pi. So this 1 by 3 affect this period of this equation, this function. So period here equals to 2 pi by 1 by 3. So it will be 6 pi. The period of this 2 cos x by 3 minus 1 is 6 pi. Number C, on the axis below, sketch the graph y equals to 2 cos x by 3 minus 1 for x greater than equals to minus pi and less than equals to 3 pi. So this is very important. You directly put here x value minus pi, so you will get here 0. Y 0. When you put x value 0 here, you get it is 1. When you put here x value pi, it will be y equals to 0. When you put here x value minus 2 pi, it will be minus 2. When you put x value minus 3 pi, when put x value 2 pi, it will be minus 2. When you put over there x value 3 pi, it will be y value is minus 3. Now join these coordinates. So this is sketch of the graph y equals to 2 cos x by 3 minus 1. Right. Number 4, this is very important maths. All are very important here. The parallelogram OAPC is such that OA equals to a vector. If I sketch the parallelogram here, this is OABC. OA equals to a vector here and OC equals to C vector here. The point D lies on OC such that OD ratio DC, that means D is here, here is D, OD ratio DC is 1:2. This is one part, that one is 2 part. The point E lies on AC. This is AC. E lies on AC such that AE, that means E is here, AE ratio is equals to 2:1. That means here 2 part, here is 1 part. Show that OB equals to KDE, where K is an integer to be found. So at first we have to find out OB vector. OB vector equals to OA vector plus AB vector. OA is A, and we know that AB and OC are parallel, so AB also C. This is C vector. And after that, we know that OD ratio DC equals to 1:2. So we can write here OD vector divided by DC vector equals to 1/2. Now OD convert into OC. If we convert OD into OC, this is whole part, below side DC, it will be 3/2. Now DC vector equals to 2/3 OC vector. That means 2/3 OC equals to C vector. Now again, we can write AE ratio EC equals to 2:1. So we will write here AE by EC vector, Euler vector equals to 2/1. After that, AE converting to AC, the whole part, AC by EC vector equals to 3 by 1. The whole part is 3. EC is 1. Okay. So we'll write here EC equals to 1 by 3 AC vector. And 1 by 3 AC means AO plus OC. So AO means negative A, OC plus C. So EC equals to, we'll get here, EC equals to 1 by 3 minus A plus C vector. Now we want DE, this part. So DE vector equals to DC vector plus CE vector. C means negative EC. So DC equals to 2 by 3 C vector, and C is negative EC, that means minus 1 by 3 minus A vector plus C vector. So if we simplify, we will get here 1 by 3 A vector plus 1 by 3 C vector. So this is D vector. Now we want to find a ratio between OB and DE. We have to write here OB vector by DE vector. OB vector is here A vector plus C vector, and D vector equals to 1 by 3 common, A vector plus C vector. So this part, that part cancel. So it will be 3 by 1. That means OB vector equals to 3 multiply DE vector. Therefore, K equals to 3 here. Now 5a, in the log, if we write it together, if it is addition mode, it will be multiply. So we can write log A base 5p. Now when log A20 come in the left side, it will be minus log A4 minus log A20 equals to 0. After that, log A base 5p minus common, it will be log A base 4 plus log A base 20 equals to 0. So it will be log A base 5p minus log A base 80 equals to 0. Now log A base 5p by 80 equals to 0. So 5 and 80 cancel. Convert into index form. P by 16 equals to a to the power 0 means 1. That means P equals to 16. So 5a is completed. Number B, solve this equation. So we can write 3 to the power 2x into 3 plus 8, 3 to the power x minus 3 equals to 0. So 3x whole square into 3 plus 8, 3 to the power x minus 3 equals to 0. We may take 3 to the power x equals to a. Let a equals to 3 to the power x. So it will be 3a square plus 8a minus 3 equals to 0. So if we factorize, we will get two factors, a plus 3 and 3a minus 1 equals to 0. From here, a equals to minus 3 and a equals to 1 by 3. But index form or exponential term never be negative. So 3 to the power x equals to 3 to the power 1 means 1 by 3 means 3 to the power minus 1. If both of this base same, power will be equal. So x equals to minus 1. So B number answer, x equals to minus 1. Now the last one, C number. Solve the equation 4 log y base 2 plus log 2 base y equals to 4. So we can rearrange 4 log y base 2 plus 1 by log y base 2 equals to 4. So let log y base 2 equals to a. So it will be 4a plus 1 by a equals to 4. So if we simplify, we will get here 4a square minus 4a plus 1 equals to 0. If we factorize, we will get here 2a minus 1. 2a minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, a equals to 1 by 2. So instead of it, we can write here log y base 2 equals to half. Converting to index form, y to the power half equals to 2. If we take square in both sides, we'll get y equals to 4. So final answer will be y equals to 4. I think everybody understands this math. This is non-calculator. So you have to understand it properly and practice a lot. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you all.